Hi friends. So at last we got a break towards the downside. We were expecting one for a long time. Yeah, in the morning section it was just a mess. No, market was moving at 10, 15 points here and there. So today, after 2 3 days of sideways and low volume market, we got a downside. But this is also capped. What we are saying is it this one is also a capped marker, so don't expect big moves from these sudden breakdowns. So a good trader will be looking the levels and trading, I would say, because uh, don't expect because a big event is waiting for waiting on the budget side. We are today 23, we hardly have 7 days, 7 8 days for the budget. So market will be in a range. So if it is if in a bad day, if we are coming to a 10,700 around that level, in these 8 9 days, what we are saying here, to go for a buy from the low. And if we are getting something around that 10950, which we talked yesterday also, we have to go for a short. So that way it's a range bound but tradable market. So if you see in the bank nifty side also, if you bank nifty, actually bank nifty, we are if you go check the yesterday chart also, bank nifty didn't given that much downside yesterday. So if so today, if market is falling, bank nifty will be giving some nice push towards the 27 uh, 250 levels. So that will be a good opportunity for to for a sell bears to short nifty, bank nifty. Because yesterday also, when market was coming down, the bank nifty was supporting the market. So if but today it was little bit towards the downside, and the global slowdown also may be affecting the industry as a whole. So right now, this in this range bound market, usually what will happen is sector wise rotation will happen. If you see yesterday, metals was down 1.5 2%. Today it's almost 1.5 up. So that way, we have to trade in this range bound market in such a way that we have to see the sectors first of all, how they are doing, find out the script, then trade. Don't take any thing that I will do a short on this particular counter and come and trade in this range bound market, because that and those trades will can go really wrong. So in today's session, if you ask me, what's going down is consumer durables, powers, financial services. Those are coming little bit down. So and bank also, banks, PSUs, those are also coming down. So that way we have to find some nice ideas to trade. And yeah, so it's giving some deep cuts in the bank nifty right now. It's almost half percentage down. So it's coming, it's right now 27,348, and that is the at level right now. So let's see whether we can see any something around that area where market can take a support. 27 340 340, it's coming to a 20 days moving average. So if this is not a big sell off towards the downside in bank nifty, we have to get support around this level, around this 350 27 340 350 levels. We are expecting a bounce from this level. The So if there is one more leg towards the down, we have to see that. So if you are had a short position from the morning, it's better to close it around 27 340, and let's see market is giving one more opportunity to take a shot on the again, because this level which it hit just is a 20 days moving average. So in the range bound market, I think these levels have significance. So we have to so if we are and also the we have to check the open interest of those counters. If you're going into a bank nifty right now, so 20s right now, I kept some see, this is 27 400 put. It's right now trading around that 120 levels, 120 levels. So and the open interest high was of 9 lakhs, around 9 lakh 11,000, but right now it's decreased to a 5 lakh 73,000. So the sudden reduction of open interest around 4 lakh in this counter. I'm talking about the weekly contracts which is supposed to expire on tomorrow. And other thing, the futures and the spot difference. If you see right now, it's around 10 45 rupees premium, points premium is right now trading around 40. So till now that level is holding in the bank nifty, at least it's 27 350 is holding. So if a big move, if we are expecting, that has to come from bank nifty, and bank nifty has to break that 27 350 level. And if it is coming that way, the levels which it will open towards the downside is little bit down to 27 180, because and that break is happening after so many testing of this level, because this level was tested 4 times last 4 trading days. So if it is a break is happening, I think we can get at least a 27 100 150 levels in bank nifty soon. The and deep support is around that 20 seats 850 levels. So that is too much for bank nifty, because tomorrow is expiry also. So you have to take all these into your before taking a trade. You have to think all those things, especially in a range bound market. um, And yesterday we were talking about this uh, ILFS stocks. So it was coming down, and we were suggesting for a buy on those counters, because seeing the deep cut happen to those stocks in the last few trading days. So today, if you see all the three, that is ILFS transports, ILFS engineering, and ILFS investment managers. All the three stocks are in upper circuit right now. Yeah, this is just upper circuit just open, I think so. So other two, it's already in the upper circuit. And because if you think about the risk reward ratio also, that is okay right now. If you remember what happened to the stock like Satyam, if if government is helping some company to restructure and all, usually it will come up good for the company in long term. So at 9 rupees, I love transport, it's a good value, yes. And there is bad assets, but those things will be going to some other hands, and maybe a turnaround for the company will happen. So these three stocks right now, it's really at the bottom. So those players who like to catch around that bottom, I'm not saying exactly the bottom, they can look these three counters for a, because they have to wait, but at least some easy money will be there in these counters in coming days. So yeah, so in the meantime, we got a break to in the bank nifty. So 37395, that's the futures right now trading, and spot is at 39340. So second time it is testing that level of 340 in the spot. We are we are also don't to remember this is an election year, so this type of moves will happen very much more in these coming months. So a trader has to be ready for this type of moves. And don't expect big as um, market 3-4 percentage down also, because these events are in the corner, no, so nobody will be selling their assets like that and go. If not, some that big problem has to happen. See, it's again and testing that 340 levels and coming back. So there is enough support for nifty in that area. That's what it's showing right now. So like this, see, right, and the first time when we were talking, this 27 400 put was hitting that 120. This time, even though market hit a new low, 27, bank nifty hit a new low, no, but still 27 and 400 put didn't go for a new high. This shows a bearish trend in the so this is not good for this 27 400 put right now. this if that has to change, we must get one more candle down and again give a new low, and 27,400 have to get a new high. That's not happening. That means the buying is happening around that 27 340 350 levels in the bank nifty. So this type of things a trader will be knowing clearly. His experience will teach him those type of lessons. So if you are a beginner in trading, we have to look in these type of signals in the chart before taking a positions. So if a market is falling, where to get in and where to get out, these are the two things spontaneous decisions a trader has to take. So if you are good in that, your chance of making money will increase substantially. And don't fear also taking positions. Yeah, if fear is above your knowledge about the market, you can take those good trades which you are supposed to take, but you will hesitate to take those, and after that you will be getting in a price which is not good for you. So if everything is in place, show that courage and take that position. So Nifty, yeah, Nifty made a low around yesterday, the level which we were talking, 10880. Today also it taken the support on the at position 10 and 10880. So no other trigger is happening. Actually, that's the issue with the market right now. Market is coming down. Some profit booking is happening. Weaker hands are going out of the market. Again, it is bottom. So and that's why if you looking in the channels, most of the experts are saying, yeah, this is going up, but market is not going anywhere. It is still trading in that range. So a trader who know to trade in the range, his of course his profit uh, percentage will be less. If normal days, if he is taking a 10-15 percentage profit every time, in this trade range bound market, they will be taking it in 5 to 7. They will be cutting those positions much before. So, so right now, bank nifty and nifty almost same percentage down, not like yesterday. Today both are 0.45 around that, half a percentage down. So in nifty side, if something is going up, that is only the metal counter that is supporting the market with oil and gas. Yeah, so oil and gas, we were talking about Reliance yesterday. So we were yesterday saying that, oh, 1240, those levels are always a level which enough short positions were created. Today also, market traded around that 1240 levels and it came down. But if you take Reliance side, so if you check when it will break that 1240 levels in the chart, what we are seeing is it's going to the sideways. So let the moving averages catch up with that price, then only you can see a pull towards the upside. Because if you remember, the uh, next high probably will be 1270, 1275 levels, and other one is 1330. So what you have to do is you have to think whether you have to wait that much time with your long position on this counter, or move on to a better counter, or take a profit, let it come down and then get in. So these techniques will work especially in these range bound markets. Other counter which we talked yesterday, it was Vakrangi. Yesterday also it came down and it was in a lower circuit, but today in the morning it opened and gone to the around that 47 4785. Maybe it will be closing around that 5% upside, and that is 4785. It's right now trading 4720. So after making a new high, only two lower circuit, and today it almost traded. But um, so what we are expecting is it's more like will be there for this retracement. It will not go that way, but within 2 days there is a result will be announced. So you have to take that also into uh, consideration before taking a position on this counter. Because last quarter result was bad, so you have to check that one also before you're doing any investment to that counter. Other stock which yesterday we talked is SL Limited. So I told that last 2 days there is high volume activity happening in this counter. But today the volume is much lesser, but it's still in an upper circuit. That's strange. Maybe after seeing last 2 days of sharp volume rise, people are thinking more legs will be there for this counter towards the upside. If you check the chart also, you can see the 52-week high is around 10 rupees. So people are people are expecting a big move in that counter. That's why today there is no that much sellers there. Volume is only 3000. and other uh, stock other one is our recommendation Zenith Healthcare. Today also it's the upper side, it's giving nice 2 percentage up, which is its upper circuit. That is a problem with this counter. It's still in that 2 percentage bracket. Mm, Enough buyers are still waiting for the counter, so we are expecting a new high in this counter in coming days. DHFL is a counter which we are really interested. After that big move towards the downside and all, it really given a trader enough money because it came to 178 level in the low, again gone to 250, 260. So last two lows which it made was 198 and 190, and then it gone again to 250, and right now it's trading around that 200. It's taking some support. So if it is not breaking that 190 level and trading, the probability it go to a new level and towards the upside is more. So what we are seeing is it's showing some signs even of the upside. So if and the market is also supporting it, what we are thinking it will go up around to 300 levels in coming 2 3 months, the counter, if it is staying about that 190 levels, because it's not a penny stock. We are not covering it in the channel, but we are just suggesting in the live stream only. We are not going to put any videos of that sort in the channel, but we like that counter, seeing the chart after that big move towards the downside and all. So we got a break. Now we can say that it's a really a break on the bank nifty. It's coming 27,320 right now. So and see, still 24,400 put is not giving that buy a new high, which is very much needed right now for a fresh breakout towards the downside. Is that happening? It will happen within 5 minutes today. If it is happening today, if not, market will bounce from here and close around that 27,340 levels. If that's happening, tomorrow's opening will be a really good thing, because if the opening is also a gap down, or then more selling will happen in the bank nifty because of that break and all. Right. The other thing, if you guys are seeing, certainly the future and spot difference, which is the pre right now, it gone to around 60 point. When we started talking, it was around that 40 levels. So even though the spot is going down freely, right now it's closer to the 2700. Bank future is not coming that down, which is giving that. Uh, that's why that 2400 put was not showing. Yeah, right now it's giving some nice moves towards the upside. See, it was not giving up that much. So this happens in when support breaks. No, this happens. See, suddenly you can see that 2400 call, it's around that 140 levels. This happens when the support breaks. See, Bank Nifty right now it's at 27 to 78, and future also came down. Still, what we said, that 70 point premium is still holding in that counter. If not, 27 400 put maybe around that 150 right now. Because of that premium only, right now it's staying in that level. So yeah, Bank Nifty is really giving right now. See, we were 27 to 50 is coming. And the candle is also huge one actually. So you can see that this happens when a break happens. When a big break happens, no, this type of candle will appear. So yeah, so the thing is, we were looking at 27 180, but today it's only 20 minutes left. So that will help the bank nifty, I think so. And the 70 point premium also helping. See the see the 27 400 put, it moved to 150. The high was 162. So and within two candles you can see that bank nifty given all that and going down. So maybe if in the morning we can see that testing of 27 180 levels, and suddenly move towards upside because of the range bound thing, market going up from there. So and tomorrow it's a expiry also. So these are things we have to keep in mind before trading in this type of market, and always see the levels. So right now what will happen, sometimes what happens is after bank nifty making a low, that premium will come off. The premium with the future may come off. Then also you can see that put will make new highs. If that when we are talking, it was around 70. If it is coming back to a 50 point premium, then also the uh, put or call options will make a new high, but actually market didn't given a new low. Still you can see that this is giving a new high, but don't fool by those things. You have to always check the premium differences around that low which it is making. So so today's it made a 27 238 is the low till now in the bank nifty spot, and 27307, that is the level bank nifty future given. So let's see whether we will be getting a low, or we are rebounding from these levels, because it's only 50 minutes for market to close, no, hardly 15-20 minutes. And if you see the nifty also, we already tested that 10 8 10 850, that's the level we tested today. So in the nifty chart, if you're looking at closer support, it's if 10 820 is breaking, so what we are seeing is around that 10 750, around that level we can see 850, yeah, 10 730 750. In that level we are getting a support around that. Mm. So yeah, we got a new low in the bank nifty right now. So actually bank is driving it really down right now. It's almost 1% down for the counter, and nifty is also trading 0.8586 down. Yeah, so 27,400 put is really moving. Yeah, actually, it almost erased 6 lakh contracts within within a few minutes. Actually, right now the open interest is only 3 lakh 50,000. Same is happening with the 27 300 put also. It's really moving up. It's shed almost 3 lakh shares. 27 200, which is a tricky one. See, right now it's at 4 lakh 53 thousand. It also closed around 2 lakh shares, but right now bank nifty spot is around 27 200. And you have to see the expiry also, because it's a weekly expiry, and the contract right now which I showed is a weekly contract. So what to do is, if you're positioning that, you have to be extra cautious, because it's So it's got a good hand right now. So we are almost testing that 27,200 in bank and 10,820 in the Nifty side also. Because today it's almost over. 10,820 will hold today. It's only 20 minutes, 10 minutes left. No. So in the averaging, it will be holding around that level. So what we think is tomorrow you can see it 2400 put and call. If you see, just check the opening interests in those two counters, and if you are interested to trade in bank nifty futures and options, you can do it tomorrow, which is an expiry day. So right now 2400 call, right now it's having a 5 lakh open interest, and 27 400 put, which had a 9 lakh open interest, right now it's only 3 lakh. So so around 100 point cut, it's closing right now. So around that 10 10 820 where nifty is going to close, and bank nifty also futures is closing around that 27 300 levels, with a premium of 80 70 point premium towards a spot. So that's it for the day. We can wrap up this stream right now. Hope you guys like. uh, we see that even though some viewers are seeing our channel after marketers, also what we are saying, you people are hearing, that's appreciated. So see you tomorrow. Thank you.